Have you ever found a beautiful kimono but felt not sure if it is right? Maybe you thought, is this my size? Is this staying okay? Will I make a mistake? If you feel this way, you are not alone. Hello, it's Agemaruko. Welcome to Happy Kimono Life. This channel is about enjoying a kimono in a simple, pressure-free way. It is not about rules or perfection. It is about choosing what feels right for you and trusting that choice. Let's enjoy kimono our way. Today, I will share some simple tips for choosing used kimono. There are kimono that someone loved before and you can enjoy again. They can be beautiful, not too expensive, and sometimes very special. But they can also feel a little hard at first. Before we start, there is one small idea. If a kimono does not feel right, you may not wear it very often, and it may stay in your closet. That is a little sad. So, to enjoy kimono more, it is good to choose one you will really wear. Today, let's look at a few simple points together. First, size is important. There is one thing I really want you to check: the width. Even if a kimono is very beautiful, if it does not feel right when you wear it, you may not feel like wearing it. And that is a little sad. So please check this point. When you put the kimono along your right leg, the inside part should come to about the middle of your left leg. If it is too narrow, the front may open when you walk. When the front opens, your legs may show more. In Japan, this is often seen as not elegant. So, this is one point I really want you to check. For the length and the sleeve length, they do not have to be perfect. Even if they are a little small, you can still wear it beautifully. But if the sleeves are too long, they may cover your hands and feel hard to move. Next, look at the condition. This is not only to find the perfect kimono, it is to see if you feel okay with its condition. Some loose kimono look almost new. Some may have small stain or a little color change. What matters is how you feel about it. Some people do not like any stains. Some people feel small marks are okay because they are not easy to see when you move. There is no right answer. So ask yourself, do I feel okay wearing this outside? Third, and very important, choose something you like. Kimono is not only about rules or being perfect. It is also about how you feel. When you see a kimono and think, I like this, that feeling is so important. Try not to choose only because it is cheap. If you buy it just because it is cheap, you may not wear it very often. So, choose something you really like. And one more tip, check if it can be fixed. Many reused kimono are quite old, so they can be small for us today. But sometimes there is extra fabric inside the kimono. If there is extra fabric, you may be able to make it a little bigger. So, it is a good idea to check this point when you choose one. So, when you choose reused kimono, remember width, condition, and your instincts. That is enough to start. Thank you for watching Happy Kimono Life. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. In the next episode, the difference between kimono and yukata. Let's keep smiling and enjoying life with kimono. See you in the next happy kimono moment. And before we go, here's today's kimono outfit. Today, I choose this kimono because it feels like a fresh spring day. See you in the next happy kimono moment.